Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dll and Unarc.dll. So if you encounter this error when installing games, especially or large size of file, you will encounter this error because of you don't have enough RAM or your hard disk is in a bad condition and so on. So let me brief you the ISDone.dll and arc the error in Windows 10 or 11. It's mostly related to installation of PC games as well as a program of large size. Here, large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This is important. This is up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here we go. The first method, you can increase Windows page file or virtual memory here. You can hold Windows and R key, and you can type sys dm.cpl. This one. Click OK. Now let's increase the paging file, Windows page file by click Advanced. Click performance settings and then click advanced again. Here we go, virtual memory, change it. Untick the box and click on custom size. Here you can fill the initial size and maximum size based on your PC or your laptop RAM. Here there is a solution recommended for you. For most games, 2.5 GB is enough. So the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. Now that the files here are megabytes, so this set maximum paging file size to tune of 3 gigabyte. So this is how you can fix it. And also there is a next step. You can delete temporary file. Again, you have to hold Windows and R button and then percent temp and then percent. This is how you can open temporary folder. You can select all and delete all temporary file in here. And after that, the third step, the third method, you can run cmd command prompt and run as administrator, and you can run sfc hashtag scan now. This is will fix your corrupted files and wait for the process. After that, you can restart your PC or laptop and try to reinstall the game or the file or the application. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.